the presents here, and these are from my family members, and my brother wrote me a card. Let me read it out. It's about football, which you know in like Europe, Euro 2020, and you can see how amazing this football is, and it's the theme of the card. And it says, "Happy birthday, Rafi. I hope you have a great birthday. Congrats that you are finally 10 years old. Have a winner of a day." And that's it. And thank you, Baya. Now I'm going to open this. Well, guys, it's a fidget toy. I really wanted these because it's so fun. Whoa, look at this. So sad. Guys, it's so satisfying. Guys, it's the longest one. Yeah, pretty sure that. Now guys, let me open this. Whoa, guys, it's clothing. So it is Adidas. And I think this is a tracksuit, yeah. And well, I really wanted these because it's like so like fit, and I need it for my school PE, and that was really important for me. So now let me open this big box. Whoa. Actually, so big, guys. Whoa. Happy 10th birthday, 10 years old. Enjoy. May Allah bless you. May you be successful. Okay. I think this is for my brother as well, but I don't know. Now, guys, let me open the grand opening.
Cool. Wow.
So, guys, let me open this. Oh, let me open it on this side. Oh, okay. Whoa, this is so big, but I can't open it. Let me open this. Whoa! It's an Xbox. It's an Xbox Series X. Wait, let me see. I think. Yeah, by the picture of the box. Yeah, I think it's an Xbox Series X, and it has 512 gigabytes GB. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my.
Hello guys, I'm here to help him.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. It's actually the Xbox Series X. It came out the same day, and I think the same month or day, but I'm pretty sure it came out the same month as the Series X, the Xbox Series X, and it's super cool. It has lots of fans and a big fan, and it has one controller, and it is digital. All of the controller and inside of this is digital. And I think, wait, let me read it. I never even used an Xbox before, but I used it with my friends. Whoa. Whoa. Look how house. Oh, whoa, guys, and it is, I think it's 4K. My brother says 4K, and it has all the games I like. It has Fortnite and Minecraft, Forza Horizon 4, and Rocket League, Roblox. It has Call of Duty. It has Call of Duty, The Outer Worlds, and Assassins. And guys, we're gonna open this big B stuff. Whoa. Let's show this to you. And this is the Xbox. It's super small. And I heard this is the most small.
Here is the console.
Yes.
And this is the smallest console ever made on the planet.
Are you sure about that?
And this is the next generation of the console of Xbox.
Yes, and where there is the controller. I don't know where the controller is. Where is it? So guys, the
Here's the.
I accidentally said headphones, and
This is power HDMI.
And this is. Get this up, please. Get this. I can hold it. And guys, this is a controller. Let me see. This is the controller. There's batteries, I think.
There's batteries inside.
This is a controller.
It's also Bluetooth.
And let me see if there's this is batteries. Yeah, these are batteries. And that's it probably. So these are the cables. And where's the charger?
Here.
And it has, can you lift this up for me? Put that right there, please. It has this. It is like
Instructions.
Yeah, instructions, and there's nothing else, and that's it. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like this video and hope you like this birthday vlog.
Please subscribe and turn on the post notification bell.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.